All right, so welcome to this tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install XAMPP local server to your computer. If you are new to website designing, then this will be strange to you. You'll be wondering like, what is XAMPP? XAMPP. We also have WAMP, WAMPP. All right, so these are local servers. Just like your website to run on the internet, you need a host, you need a domain, and you need a host. So this particular software acts as your host. As your host, so you will not. It means you can work offline. So if you were to be working from a paid host, you need internet, right, to be able to work on your website. But this time around, you can work without the need of a website, like without the need of any internet connection. So that's what this tutorial is all about. All right, so now to begin, you go to your web browser. Sorry. All right, to begin, so you're going to go to your web browser, and yeah, I'm using Firefox, and type, so just type XAMPP download, something like this. XAMPP download, right? You can see it here, and then you click on download XAMPP by the first one, Apache Friends. Just click on it, and now the latest one is 8.2.4. See my arrow? You can see my arrow, right? So 8.2.4. You click on download. It's about 149 MB, and you click on download. So it should start downloading to download to your system. Anyway, I'm going to pause this video and resume when the download is completed. So the download has completed, so I'll go to my folder. So let me just go to a all right, so yeah, it is okay. So the next thing for me to do is to install it, right? So to install it's very simple. Just double click on this file. Okay, this is the application file. Okay, let me increase this so I can see it. So they're all application, they all came, right? So I'm going to double click on this XAMPP, or you can right click and click on run as administrator, anyone that is okay by you. So it will begin. All right, so it's showing this. So let me pause the video. Okay, don't worry, just continue. Click on next. So these are the things that are going to be installed with it. You have your MySQL, FileZilla, Mercury Mail server, right, and Tomcat, my PHP admin. You can see that, right? And the rest, other things is what will come with the installation. So you click on next, and this is where your XAMPP folder. This is where it's going to be downloaded to, which is your C drive. Inside your C drive, just click on next. Click on, it's just English now. English is just okay. Click on next, and setup is now ready to begin installation. So you click on next. So you're going to wait. I'm going to pause the video for you to complete installing. It doesn't take much time, just between 3 to 4 minutes thereabouts, or even less than that. You get it gets done. All right, so it took more time than I thought. It must have taken more than 10 minutes. Okay, but I had to wait. So it will pop out this Windows security alert. Just allow access. It doesn't have anything to do. Okay, so it's in the process. All right, so be mindful that it's going to take you a bit of time. Okay, so it's pop out this thing window that's finished everything. It's set up as finished installing XAMPP on your computer. You want to start the control panel? Yes, definitely. You want to start, so you click on finish. The control panel is going to load up. So let's wait for it to load up. Shouldn't take much time. Right, so just in case it doesn't load up, because in my case it didn't actually load up. You click on just go to your start menu, right, and click on XAMPP control panel. So it should come up this way. And for me, I like, because I'll be using this a lot, I like pinning it to my taskbar. Just pin it to taskbar. So now, so this is the control panel. This is what controls your, it's going to control your website. So here we have the Apache. This Apache is responsible for um, Apache is responsible for PHP, all right, PHP programming. While MySQL is actually responsible for creating of database. Okay, so what we're going to do right now is to click on Stats, right? Click on Stats. So you discover that PID has been created, two of them, and actually and a port as well. And then you click on Stats for the MySQL as well, and so so it's asking for access. Just give it access. Okay, so we have Apache and MySQL started. So these two are very, very important. So the next one to do is to go to your local host, which is what I have here, local disk. You'll see XAMPP folder here. So double click it. Then, so this is everything that came with the XAMPP installation. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to htdocs. This htdocs. This is where all your documents are going to be stored, whatever you're doing on your website. So you double click on it, okay, to open it. Now you create a folder there. So you're just going to, I'm clicking new folder here, and I'll call it, let me call it, um, let me just call it like web design. Sorry, we have web design. You just click on it, okay. So this is the folder I'll be working from, all right. So I'm going to open the folder, and I'll create text document. Okay. I could call it, let me just say hello world. Hello world dot. Now this is not really necessary, but just to be sure that it's working fine. So I'm going to create an hello world dot PHP. Then I'll open it, right? Now open it, and so I'm just going to write a very simple, very, very simple code. Now, if you are new to this thing, you don't have to worry about this. This is just to show you something that it is working. Okay, then close quote, and sorry. So right here, I'm going to enter. Let's say echo. I want. Sorry. I'm looking for my. I'm sorry. Um, I'm looking for my keyboard does. Okay, yeah. Let's say welcome to my world, for example. Correct. Okay. And okay. So we have something like this, and then I click on save file. Click on save. So next is to go to my web browser and type localhost / the website the folder I created, name of folder, and you'll see something like this, right? So this is the file I created. If you click on it, you see something like welcome. Sorry, it's not supposed to be. Okay. All right. So that's how to um, download XAMPP folder and install it on your device. So whenever you're done, you want to close the laptop, just simply click on stop, and then go away. So anytime you come back to your laptop, you need to start this program. You need to start this control panel before you can proceed with your work. So this is all about it. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on your local host. Bye.